getting in there? Are you getting into mixed nuts? The deluxe planters mixed nuts for Squirrel Man. Here, I picked one out for you. Here. There you go, buddy. He likes them ones. And look, he's got a squirrel layer back in here. He's got a box now. Look at this handsome boy. This is old Squirrel. Look, he's hiding it for later. He just had one. Look, he's even tucking it in. Was you hiding it? There's nuts hidden everywhere in here. This is what I have to deal with. Look at this good boy. See if we can't get him to talk here. Watch. There he goes. What? What, Squirrel Man? What, buddy? What? What, Squirrel buddy? Look at this good boy. I found him when he still had his eyes shut outside, and you can see him as a baby back in my videos for you people that just are subscribing. But here he is, the Squirrel Master. He's got his nut head in here. Look here. Here it is, right here. Look here. Look here. You want an ear rub? That's what you wanted, isn't it, buddy? Getting you an ear rub. It's a good boy. Alright, folks. Next is Arrowhead hunting clips. There's the buddy right there, the squirrel buddy. Big buddy. Got a nice point today, folks. A good one. Later. Alright, I'm heading out into some new areas I haven't been on since I've been a kid. I can remember finding some stuff up here farther, but we will see. It's been a long time. So this will be first on video in this area of the river. Had to travel a little bit, but want to get multiple spots going so I can have multiple spots to look and find something every day, guaranteed. It's been working so far. But anyway, I'll get back on my first set of finds if I get anything out in here. I'm going to try to find a new site to sift. So, wish me luck. Later. There went a duck. Hear it? It's like a wood duck or something, I think. Couldn't tell. Yeah, I've been paddling around for a while, but I found an Indian site. You can see all the burn up rock and stuff coming out of the bank here. There's definitely a lot of it. I've been looking for a while for this place. I found it. I'm gonna do some screens and see what's here later. Alright, first screen off this site. It's new, I've never been on it. Blown up fire rock, 2 flakes of flint and a piece of Indian pottery. So we're in business, folks. Artifacts in the first screen. Evidence of Indians. I'll get back when I find something, which I probably will later. Well, I'm here at this new site. I've never been on it in 20 plus years, and surely not on video. I remember finding a few bird points here, and look at this material. It's just great. Flint Ridge again on this site. And folks, I got a smoker made of Flint Ridge in my screen. A serrated bird point made of translucent Flint Ridge. And I've not even been here 45 minutes. And I'm sifting in the water blind. The water's a little bit up. But look how good these screens look. See if you can see the point. There's another little tiny flake. There's all kinds of little, look at this Flint Ridge right here, and there's a tan flake. But see if you see the point. It's a smoker. Here's another flake right here. Nice little flake of Flint Ridge. But man, folks, I got a good one. It's one of the nicer bird points in a while. It's right here. Oh, it's all there, and it's just, oh, folks. Wait till you see this translucency. Look at this, folks. Look at this. Oh, my. Jewel grade Flint Ridge material. I'd say I'm 2 hours and 40 minutes by car from the source. at Flint Ridge State Park in Central Ohio. You can read about that. I'm in West Virginia. Look at this nice point to go in that frame. I'll show you the rest of them that I have at the end of this video. Hopefully I can get another one later. All right, this site's pretty small. It's for mainly right up in there, right over into there. And I'm just working, you can see the banks right there at the base of the water. And the water's just about where it always is here, but it rises and falls and it's cutting all of this. And this is where the Indians would have lived. The water's way higher now than what it was in Indian times because of the dams. So it's pretty much just washing into the best spots, and all the stuff's laying here. And I found that bird point right over in there, just scraping up the fire rock. I got a whole pocket full of flint. I haven't found nothing else. I did find this rock. I don't know if you can see it here now. It's engraved. Let's see if you can. It's got 2 lines on it, several lines across it here, and it's got several on this side too. I don't know if you can see that engraving. It's like an H right there. It's definitely done by human hands. I don't know what it is. It's just maybe a little awl sharpener or something. I don't know. But that's all I'm doing to find this stuff. And you can see right in here the rock. All of this rock's come out of that bank, and it's all fire rock. I'm just scooping it up and sifting it, and there's flint and fire rock all through here and a few artifacts. Hopefully I can get something else. But if not, that'll be it. That's a good tip. You want to look for places like this and the fire rock right at the base of the bank, and then pick around later. All right, I've dug from right there where that thing's sticking out, right back over into here, about right into there. Found all this stuff and got a really nice point. We'll look at this stuff first. Right here's a piece of pottery, and it's tempered with flint. They put a lot of different stuff in it: shell, flint, gravel, like little ground up rocks. There's another piece, and here's another piece of pottery. This one's shell tempered. You can see where it's all leached out, but there's evidence of pottery culture here. Here's another piece with the pieces leached out. I got all these flakes. There's lots of Flint Ridge and stuff, and all of it's real translucent. Look at this stuff. It's just ridiculous. But I got, this is actually a month maker for as hard as these are to find whole, and the material, it's serrated. It's just completely awesome. Look at the it's jewel grade Flint Ridge flint. So success again. I'm just leaving. I'm getting ate up by horseflies, and it's like 100 degrees. See the sun up there, it's just beating down on me. It's middle of the afternoon, but I look till I find something nice. I'd have been out here a while probably, but serrated and flint, awesome material. Couldn't ask for a better point, and it's all there. Nice one. It's a true bow and arrow point too. These are some of the first, if not the first, true bow and arrow points in North America in my area. But anyway, success. I'll get back on my next ones, folks. Later.